Okay, Donna, Spencer, any thoughts after that session?
Well, I'm not too sure what to think. I don't really think they appreciate it, just what we are left with at the moment, and certainly don't appear to appreciate what a critical situation this is for us. I mean, I have some sympathy. They're not a big company, as he said. We're not a big company. The losses we've incurred already are, serious at this point, but we stand to lose even more. And yes, they've indicated, a willingness to either replace or repair the floor, but what am I left with? What if it happens again? And that's a long-range concern. I have more immediate concerns as well that need to be addressed. So, I mean, this is confidential. You wouldn't,
Absolutely.
nothing would, okay, yes, okay. Part of the whole point of this construction is that our firm is going to host a book fair, a global book fair. And the construction is all done, but the event is in 3 months' time. And here I am, no floor. Not only is it not super purposes on a day-to-day basis, but this threatens this event, which is significant for us. It's going to put us on the map, so to speak. We've been planning for this for 2 years. All of our marketing budget has gone towards this particular event. So if it shouldn't come off, it's seriously could be quite possibly catastrophic. That's the position we're in. So we're not messing around here. We need something to happen, and something quick.
Well, we certainly do, and of course, as far as they're concerned, they're really not confident that they're the right people to replace the floor because of our experience.
Right. So you're in a real dilemma here. You're on the cusp of a huge, what sounds like a huge opportunity here to do things with this book fair. But you can't do it because you've got your floor cracking up, and what's even worse is that you're not sure that they could do it properly to
I mean, unfortunately, at this point,
correct the situation.
We've made some investigations. No one else is going to touch it. Not only, I mean, it would mean total replacement by another firm of another product. And now that I even say that, I realize that product could fail as well. I mean, ideally.
So, Major Stress, any thoughts after that opening?
Well, I can't see what they're doing here. I mean, the point of this is mediation, so that we can come to some sort of agreement. But all they're doing is setting out their claim. They want £200,000. Well, that's not going to enable us to make any progress. I came here thinking, well, let's see how we can sort it out.
Right, and you hope that they would come with a similar attitude.
Well, what's the point of them being here if they're just going to restate that they're bound to win?
So that you felt was not very helpful.
Well, not really, was it?
Yeah.
I mean, as you said.
Yes, I've become rather pessimistic in that opening session, that they were really not here to mediate at all, just simply to restate their case. And that, it seems to me, is unfortunate. We came here in good faith to try and settle the case. We're very keen to do so. It would be the best for our company, and we think the best for their company. But they seem not to be in a position of doing that. They're simply saying they've done nothing wrong. They don't seem to have any recognition at all that maybe they are at least in part to blame. And the position that we take is, Major Stress takes, is that he laid the floor properly. He gave instructions through the architects as to what work needed to be done. Had that work been done, there wouldn't have been a problem. So that's our position.
See, our instructions are quite clear. We say about exactly how the maintenance should be done, the damp mopping.
So, Spencer, I hope you don't mind me asking to speak to you on your own. I just wanted to check out the legal aspect. I know we don't try to go down the legal route, but they've raised the legal point that there is no contract between you and them, and that the contract is between you and KGB. I just wondered what your take on that was, and whether that's a problem here.
Well, I'm afraid that they are completely wrong about that. It's a recent Supreme Court decision where the Supreme Court is quite clear in very similar circumstances that they owe us a duty of care and that they are liable to us.
Right. Okay, so as far as you're concerned, that is a red herring from their point of view.
Absolutely.
And really, we want to put that to one side in any event.
Before we can make any more progress.
Right.
Thank you very much. That's
Okay.
very helpful.
Thank you, Spencer. That's very helpful.